Shocking news. I gained another 2 pounds. That puts me in 14 pounds, 7 kilos gained weight. My back was getting worse. This has to stop because my back hurts. This back. I'm gonna do what I know the best, which is to exercise with an empty stomach. Apparently there's no scientific proof that it's better than having it with meal. And technically, apparently according to science, I need to have protein. You know that 30-30-30 I was doing? Like within 30 minutes of waking up, eat 30 grams of protein and do 30 minutes of cardio. Well, that didn't really work. So I'm just gonna do what I know best. This is the strawberry guava green tea. And instead of coffee, I'm gonna drink this first to de-bloat, but I don't think this is bloating. This is pure me. This is my pounds. So let's go work out. I want to be somewhere nice today. Do a West Coast run. 60 minutes. Level 2. Here we go. We're by the water. Also, this is very poor planning on my part. I don't really have much to eat. And it's Christmas Day, so I'm gonna have some juice, but I would have to order something. I got 감자탕. I had a very small thing of salad, but for me, salads like raw veggies don't work that well with my stomach, and I wanted something broth. Wow, rice is very small. So I guess it will help me with more protein intake from 감자탕. I'm trying to eat more fish than meat, but it's so cold here now. I just wanted to eat something brothy. This is the whole spread. Wow. This is all perilla leaf seeds. There's some veggies, so I think it's semi-healthy. Meat. I think this is cabbage. Napa cabbage. I feel like I'm back in Korea. They have glass noodle. Oh, it's hot. It's spicy. Look at the size of the potato. Day 2, let's go. This will do. I forgot my watch. Just realized I also bought this, and it has flour, but that's okay. I had an idea. Look at the sizzle. Oh, I think it's time. Wow. I had an idea to turn garlic bread with egg salad. I made it. I was too hungry to film, but I also put cayenne and paprika. I'm trying to eat more cayenne in the morning. Doesn't I guess it doesn't look good like this, but oh wow, I wasn't filming at all. This is how it turned out. It's very good. Maybe I should plate it a little because I want to put hemp seeds on it. Here's chocolate. I am trying this smooth dark. It's not as good as my other dark chocolate, so might not get it again. But so pumpkin seed butter, and then oh, this doesn't look very appetizing, does it? But I'm gonna put hemp seed for a little nuttiness. I guess pumpkin seed is nutty. Like that. That looks like everything bagel seasoning. So we have apple, pumpkin seed butter, hemp seed, dark chocolate, strawberry, vanilla green tea. I also booked a massage, so hopefully my back pain will be good. So today is the first day of doing something about it. So this morning I tried some somatic hip opening exercises in bed. I think yesterday was my first day of trying to eat more clean. I forget what I ate, but I didn't eat ice cream and I really wanted ice cream. So I think I ate fairly healthy yesterday, which is like the first day in a while. Like I'm always eating something sweet, something dessert, something. But I realized that I know I'm sensitive to gluten, dairy, soy, all these stuff, but I still keep eating it, and then I like have like zits coming out, so I have to stop. So I'm gonna try to be healthy, and most of all, it's because my back hurts. My lower back hurts so much. This is gonna be like a week worth of a glow up, so to speak. It's not gonna be like very dramatic, very intense. It's just going to be me kind of coming back to where I feel like I am, I can't say healthy per se, but not consuming things that I know aren't good for me. So I know I'm sensitive to dairy, I'm sensitive to gluten, I'm sensitive to soy. There's a lot of stuff that I am sensitive to that I just ignore. But if you can see the color of my skin, this is actually not my best. And then somehow I'm craving apples, so I'm having apples with this. So I'm hoping that this is sweet and this is fat, right? So it's satiating. And above all things, I'm craving green tea. And then I was craving dark chocolate as well, but this wasn't good as it was, so I think it would be good with green tea. I had shakshuka this morning. I had shakshuka with garlic toast. It wasn't gluten-free bread. And then I did have a slight pain in my stomach, I guess because of the gluten. And I did use cheese. But you know, day one, I wonder if this challenge is gonna be a week or a month. Really should be an everyday thing, but we'll see. I don't know, I think this is a step forward. My snacks, instead of reaching for, I was gonna say chocolates, but I do have a chocolate. I have a dark chocolate. Lately I've been craving like sugary drinks, so instead of that, I'm having these. Let's go to my friends in this bear and strawberry socks. Bear and strawberry themed. Of course, I'm just gonna wear this. I always do, and it is my uniform. Nothing crazy, just comfortable, and what I can do for a cleaning and organizing, helping. I need to not forget masks, so I'm gonna get it now. I'm gonna get one and 2. 1 for going and 1 for cleaning in cases. Okay, let's go. Oh, do we want to put the big one still in their plastic?
Exciting stuff happening at Rockbridge Falls recently.
The guy who was managing the bid calls me, he goes, I think the price.
I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I might just leave it like this. It looks very freestyle. I don't feel like doing my hair. I do have oatmeal though, and this bone broth and seaweed. So I do have something. Pancake mix, dates. But let's go work out first. First coffee. Oh. Honestly, I'm just going for grocery shopping. But I have my favorite bag on. I just like this bag. Whenever I look at this bag, it makes me happy. I'm bringing my strawberry bag with me. Let's go grocery shopping. Let's go. Chunky brownie. Chocolate chip too. It's like salted cashew cream. I finally got the green juice. Last time I wanted a green juice, I didn't get it because the warming veggies is what I wanted. I try not to drink too much juice because they're already cold and then a lot of veggies are cold property. But this one was actually buy one get one free. I think I have tried this before, but I don't know, I'm really feeling greens. It's not even like health thing. Because if you think about it, I got rid of all the fibers. Apparently it's all sugars. It's not like it's that. But I was just craving greens and I didn't want to chew the greens. And I like the fresh and like a slightly like sweet thing. I thought I tried this and then didn't like it, but I like it. So week 1, I would say, debriefing week 1, I didn't really do much of exercises per se, and I didn't really restrict any food either. It was just like I ate what I wanted. Like even this morning I woke up early and then I had ravioli. I ate and then I was in bed and I fell asleep. And then now that I'm woken up, I have this and I have Vietnamese food on the way. So I was thinking this week, because I want to be sustainable, or this might be an excuse, I wanted to have the first week where I can and not try to criticize myself for like not being too harsh. I walked 30 minutes a day except for yesterday. So most of the days I walked, which is more than probably the week before. And I also had ice cream yesterday too, so it's not like I had everything healthy, but I tried to move a little bit more. In terms of my back pain, it's still there, so I'm gonna see someone next week. That's the earliest I could have booked. So I need not like physical hard exercise, but I think next week I need to start more on the like hip flexors and psoas movements. I've been trying to do it when I was in bed, when I'm scrolling through stuff. It hurts still. It hurts today more than yesterday, but luckily today the weather is not that cold, so maybe I might walk a little more outside than inside. I walked more, drank more water, moved a little more. Diet is but maybe I can be a little bit better about my diet. But I tried to focus on being happy, and I think overall I did. And I was trying to think every morning, what would be the 3 things I would be really I got my food. So yeah, I tried to eat things that I really wanted to, and tried not to be so harsh, tried to be happy, tried to think about 3 things that made me happy every day, so that I can like start looking for things that's happy all throughout the day. And at the end of the day, I wanted to recap, but I think I just always fell asleep, so I didn't do that. But yes, that's the recap.